Hi friends, it's TJ here. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be walking you through the unboxing and review of the Realme Buds Air 2. I purchased them from Flipkart for around Rs 2799, which was inclusive of the student discounts. Before reviewing, let me first unbox it quickly and give you the physical overview for the same. I ordered the black variant. Realme calls it as Closer Black because of their collab with the chain smokers. So the first thing that's present is the Realme Buds. Let's see what's more inside. We also get a user manual. It has all the necessary instructions on how to pair it with your device and how to use the touch control gestures available on the sides of the earbuds. Along this, we also get a charging cable. It's a Type A to Type C. You can also charge it with your other Type C cables. Realme also provides an extra set of ear tips with different sizes. That's all that we get inside the box. Now let's check the earbuds itself. As far as specifications is concerned, Realme Buds Air 2 has 10mm dynamic drivers, Bluetooth 5.2 for connectivity with support for both SBC and AAC Bluetooth codecs, which means you will get a better sound quality. It also has a game mode of 88 milliseconds. It also has active noise cancellation. The claimed noise cancellation is up to 25 decibels and the earpieces are IPX5 rated for water resistance. The overall structure of the earbuds is made up of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. It feels quite premium considering the price. The stem of the earbuds has a bluish accent. I have been using these earbuds for past 2 days and the experience is quite good. The earbuds are very light in weight, so you can use them for long hours with comfort. I love this click sound, it's quite satisfactory. What do you guys think about it? Here is the process of pairing the earbuds with your device. For this, you need to have the Realme Link app to get connected and use the advanced features. like the touch gestures. You need Once pairing the earbuds through Bluetooth, it's gonna automatically connect. In the Realme Link app, you can see the battery percentage of each earbud along with the case. Also, you can customize the touch gestures. After using it for 2 days, I can definitely guarantee you that these earbuds sound great. One con which I would like to mention is that while calling, the sound feels quite robotic. If you are not an audiophile or into music production, then definitely go for these earbuds. They are totally value for money. That's all for today's video. Feel free to comment any queries or suggestions in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.